God declares that this year is the year of prominence. Ito ang panahon, ito ang taon na ikaw ay makikilala. Hello, maybe nandun ka lang sa sulok at hindi ka kilala, but yes, someday, and this year, many people will know you. Isaiah chapter 60, verse 3. Nations will come to your light. Sa ibang version, the Gentiles will come to your light. Gentiles are the people who is not of God. They will come to your light. They will be attracted by the light of God that is upon you. Makikita nila na hindi talaga ayon sa galing mo, hindi ayon sa kakayahan mo, sa connection mo, or whatever you have, but it is all because of God. Jesus is the light of this world. And if Christ is in us, we also have the light of this world. Amen?